Alrighty, so what we're going to do now is take a quick tour of the HTML file, look at the actual HTML source code for the template, just so we can get a little bit familiar with how the file is created or constructed. So let's go ahead and open up the home.html in a text editor. So we note here at the head section, they have a reference to CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and Font Awesome. They're loading them from the web. We'll change that to actually load them using NPM. And just in case you're not aware of Font Awesome, it's a collection of glyph icons. We are using it for the shopping cart icon in our application, and we may use more icons in the future depending on our requirements. And then also here's a reference here to our local custom CSS styles specific for our given application. And then we also have a reference to our fave icon. The fave icon's a little logo that shows up on the browser tab. So we'll have our own custom fave icon for this Love to Shop application. So then moving down a bit, we can see the menu sidebar. So it simply has our logo image, and then it has a list of categories: books, coffee mugs, mouse pads, and luggage tags. And then moving down a bit, we're in our page container. We see the header desktop. That's the little search form you have at the top of the application along with the search button. And then in the far right, we have the shopping cart area. And notice here, we're making use of FA shopping cart. That's the Font Awesome shopping cart. That's the glyph icon for that given shopping cart. Alrighty, so moving down here to our main content section. So this is where we actually have our list of products in that grid. So we set up our divs, and these are a lot of Bootstrap styles here. So the main content where we display each product. So we have the actual product name, description, price, a link to add to cart. And we kind of just repeat the process. And also if you click on the actual product image, you can actually go to the product details page. All right, so just kind of more of the same. It's a template, so it's just a lot of copy paste there. Then near the bottom, we have the pagination controls. So if our database has a large number of products, we'd like to be able to show that data in different pages. And then moving down a little bit further, we in the page container, then we have our footer section. So that's what you see at the bottom of the web page, just links to about us, contact us, help, so on and so forth. Just very basic stuff there. All right, so that's kind of the basics here on the actual home.html template file. In the following videos, we'll learn how to take this information and integrate it into our Angular application.